Silver Dollar City in Branson, Missouri is one of the top vacation destinations in the Midwest. With dozens of shows and attractions, the entertainment is endless. And the same goes for thrill seekers. Silver Dollar City has 7 adrenaline-rushing roller coasters that each provide their own unique experience. Some coasters tame enough for the beginners, and others intense enough to excite the most advanced coaster enthusiasts. In this video, we will rank all 7 coasters at this famous Missouri theme park. Which one will claim the number 1 spot? Find out next. Hey everyone, this is Cullah Hale from Destination Thrills, and today I will be counting down the best roller coasters at Silver Dollar City. Now, Silver Dollar City is not far from my hometown of St. Louis, and even though it technically isn't my home park, I certainly treat it as if it was. Each year I make about 3 to 4 trips to the theme park. As a result, I have had dozens of rides on each roller coaster, and I've gotten a pretty good feel for each coaster's experience. That is why in this video, I want to rank every single one of them for you. So without further ado, let's get to the list. Starting out at number 7, it should be no surprise that it is Silver Dollar City's kiddie coaster, the Grand Exposition. It has a simple, non-aggressive layout that is perfect for the little ones. It is a good starting point for the little coaster enthusiasts out there. With that being said, because of its design and its purpose, it rightfully sits at the bottom of our list. Moving on to number 6, we have Fire in the Hole, which is an indoor coaster. There is tons of theming to this ride, which is really neat, but even with the couple of miniature drops at the end, there is very little thrill to the ride. Again, it's another good starter coaster for the little enthusiasts, but not enough to beat out other coasters on this list. Let's jump to number 5, and we have Thunderation. This is an Aero mine train coaster, so the thrill is on the low end as well. However, this coaster is really fun when it starts to pick up speed. The best part is the helix that drops into the tunnel. This part really throws you around and gets the blood moving. The coaster has other faster paced moments as well that makes for an entertaining experience. Out of all the Aero mine trains I have ridden, this certainly takes the cake, but it sits at our number 5 spot. Now, these first 3 coasters on the list, I would give a mild to moderate thrill rating, but the next 4 on this list are true extreme thrill rides. Starting off at number 4, we have Wildfire, built by Bollinger and Mabliard in 2001. This coaster flips you upside down a total of 5 times with elements such as the Immelman loop, a vertical loop, a cobra roll, and a corkscrew. But the most terrifying thing this ride does is send you on a 155-foot tall plunge off the Ozark Mountains. The airtime, especially in the backseat, is phenomenal. Now, if a big first drop, positive G-forces, and inversions are your thing, then you will love Wildfire. On to number 3, we have Powderkeg, a launch coaster from SNS. This launch is powerful as it flings you up the first big drop. The feeling of speed is strong with this ride as you race over each hill and through each turn. The ride also has a unique layout as it features a chain lift in the middle of the journey and incorporates coaster track from the former ride Buzzsaw Falls. Now, there are no inversions on this ride, but the acceleration of the initial blast and the velocity throughout the ride will surely get the adrenaline pumping. And that is why it is our number 3 coaster. Moving on to number 2, we have the park's newest thrill machine, or should I say time machine, Time Traveler, built by Mack Rides. Time Traveler is the first ever Mack Extreme spinning coaster, and it has to be one of the most unique roller coaster experiences in the world. The ride features 3 inversions, 2 launches, and a 100-foot 90-degree drop straight out of the station. Oh, and did I mention that your cars are spinning the whole time? Yeah, this coaster is nuts, but don't let the spinning cars scare you, as Mack Rides uses a magnetic system to keep the cars from twirling out of control like a top. The best part of this coaster is you never know which way you will be facing, so you get a different ride experience every single ride. I absolutely love Time Traveler and have to get my rides in every single trip. So what could possibly be better than the world's first extreme spinning coaster? Well, how about the world's most daring wooden coaster, Outlaw Run, our choice for the number 1 coaster at Silver Dollar City. Built by Rocky Mountain Construction in 2013, Outlaw Run is easily the scariest roller coaster in the park. First, you start out with an 81-degree, 162-foot drop, which is currently the tallest drop on any coaster at the park. Then you speed into a 153-degree overbank inversion. After that, it is pure chaos as you transition quickly over hills that give the coaster enthusiasts their most desired sensation, ejector airtime. You then end with a double barrel roll finale that will have you feeling like the coaster is trying to dump you out of the ride. And if you thought that was crazy enough, try this coaster at night. Because of the dense trees surrounding the coaster track, you see nothing but pitch black as you blitz through the woods at 68 miles per hour. If you want to know more about this ridiculous wooden coaster, I will link my full in-depth review of Outlaw Run in the card above. But let me just say it is easily one of the top wooden coasters in the world, and certainly the #1 coaster at Silver Dollar City. So this is my ranking of every single coaster at Silver Dollar City. Now I want to hear from you. If you've been to this Branson theme park, let us know your favorite coaster at the park in the comments below. And if you've never been to Silver Dollar City, let us know which coaster you are most excited to ride. Now I have several other coaster ranking videos on my channel, including a ranking of every single coaster at Silver Dollar City's sister park, Dollywood. I will link that video in the description below, and we'll have more ranking videos along with tons of other theme park content in the future, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a single upload. Again, thank you all for watching this video. I'm Cullah Hale from Destination Thrills. Have a good one.